everyone, this is Millenniumforce. I want to let you know that my videos will be interrupted for about a week. Due to Hurricane Irma coming, I'm probably going to be leaving my home and looking for shelter. And the video views have been going down because everybody in Florida, a lot of people are my fans and subscribers from this state. So my video viewership has gone down. So for the next week, there will be no videos to air. They'll resume on September the 14th. Or whenever power comes back on if it's lost, which I'm expecting it to be lost. So please enjoy the rest of my other videos, and when I come back, the next video will be Hurricane Irma. I will be chasing after it and be in the storm and bring you updates of what happened to Florida and to Tampa Bay area while it's going on. So expect that video to come up around the 14th of September, or like I said, whenever power is resumed. Right now I got my stuff packed and food in my suitcase, and I'm bringing my pets with me. And Callie, you ready to go on the journey? Callie says, yeah, baby. Meow. I got my stuff in my bags and I'm ready to go. Where's Kitty? Kitty! Kitty! There you are. Hey, you going too, right? Huh? Yeah, Kitty gonna go too. Kitty and Callie. They're both sisters. They're 7 years apart. Callie's 10 years old. Kitty there is 3 years old. So they're 7 years apart. Alright, like I said, my next video will be September the 14th or whenever sooner or later due to electricity because I can't upload on nothing. So hopefully everybody in Florida be safe. All my fan subscribers, please look out for yourselves and your families and be safe. And hopefully everything will be fine. We'll get through this storm. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.